But at this point, I would like to introduce the director of the ICTS, Director Abram Abanil, to give us some opening remarks. Director, good morning.
Hello, Paolo. Good morning. Hello and good morning din sa ating mga superintendents, division staff, school heads and teachers who are present today. Maayong buntag to those who are in Mindanao and in Visayas. Thank you for showing your interest in assisting the department in our efforts to establish the DepEd TV. As many of you know, we have been scouting for potential talents who would become teacher broadcasters who would be lecturing in front of the camera to cover all the subjects in kinder to grade 12. These teacher broadcasters will need to produce around 81 episodes, as Paulo said earlier, every week to cover all the subjects in K to 12, and this will be aired in national TV and radio stations. Yung plan namin is from Monday to Friday, we will be airing these episodes from 8 o'clock in the morning up to 6 o'clock in the evening. So far at the moment, we already have partnerships with IBC 13, with Solar TV, and also with Signal TV. Currently, there are negotiations to also include GMA television. We have already identified around 138 potential talents who we expect can produce around 5 episodes per week. However, we are encountering a lot of logistical challenges every day, and one of the major ones we have identified is the availability of studios and videographers who will support our teacher broadcasters. We currently have only 4 studios in Metro Manila, and we actually established this just last month. We need more studios. We need more support personnel, especially in the provinces, to help us accelerate our production processes. Producing around 81 episodes per week, as Paulo mentioned, has never been done before, but we believe that we can do this. Last month, we had totally no capability in producing, but we were able to broadcast 6 episodes in August 11. Today, we already have 138 potential teacher broadcasters. We are encountering logistical barriers every day, but we are addressing them one at a time. We believe that as a department, we can do this. Basta hindi lang tayo magkanya-kanya, and we work together as one agency and as one family. So again, good morning sa inyong lahat, and we really thank you for your interest to provide us with the support that will be needed to make sure that DepEd TV can go live in October 5 with all the episodes that will be needed for our children to learn. So again, good morning and thank you to all.